Hi, Ben Franklin families. Hi, friends. I'm going to sing Three Little Kittens today. It was one of my Grandma Rosalie's favorite songs to sing. And I remember her singing it when I was little. I remember my mom singing it when I was little. And so now I sing it, and it makes me happy. And if you can go meow, 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 like a kitty, you can sing it too. So listen along, figure out when you need to be a kitty cat, and sing with me. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. But lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 meow. Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What found your mittens, you little kittens? Then you shall have some pie. Meow, 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 meow. Three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. What soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? And then began to sigh. Meow, 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 meow. Three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them up to dry. Oh, mother dear, look here, our mittens we have washed. What washed your mittens, you darling kittens? But I smell a rat close by. Hush, 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 meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Those good little kittens. They were pretty silly to eat that pie with their mittens on, but I think they made a good choice at the end because then they washed their mittens for their mom. So that made her happy. So play it again and keep on meowing and singing. And I hope that I get to see you and sing with you soon.